Hello and welcome to Rapyd Bytes. Today we're going to go over the most simple integration that you can make using Python and curl. This is a curl request, and we're going to grab this from the GitHub repository. We are going to be using or doing the request list countries. And also, if you wanted to immediately get started, you created your client portal account, you can use Postman to run through multiple requests, input your secret key and your access key. We'll also be doing that today with our file and grabbing that from client portal. I'm going to be working in terminal. And so let's get started. One thing, I'm here on just the get started page, and you can click sample integrations, scroll down to here, Rapyd curl request signature. This is what we'll be using. Here's just a guide on following through. I'm going to grab this URL and head over to terminal to clone this. Let me jump to the right file as we get started. And let me see. There's just some random files there. Oh, GitHub. And Python. And let's make a directory. There it is right there. But we're going to make a new directory. And so we could do git clone and then grab that. We want to open, actually enter into what is listed, Rapyd. So we're entering that, and we're going to open this file here. You can see Rapyd curl gen. And as that opens, I'm going to, we can actually open that here. And so here we see the file has the path, timestamp, salt, and then we're going to input our access and secret key here, and then it generates the signature, turns those into headers, and this is the actual curl request, which it will spit out. And so I'm going to head over to client portal. You can sign up in one of the links below, and what you're going to go to developers, copy the access key. Of course, if you're making an actual integration, it's recommended not to pass or expose these in any way. You can create variables for these, but I'm just going to save them here just to connect that we would do that. That is correct. Okay, and so now I saved that. And what we're going to do is Python 3, and then so that's going to spit out the curl request here. Let me minimize this a little bit so we can, not that much though. Oh, okay. And so now we have that. I'm going to copy this, and then we'll see what this looks like. So as we, okay, I'm down here. Okay. Let me just clear this. And so how we have this, and I want to put this in it as well, just prettify. And so that's going to now spit out basically our list countries request. We could search up, here's the Australian dollar, the euro. We can go down the line. Bhutanese. You can search for Great British Pounds, the pound sterling. There we go. USD. US dollar. And so these are all basically the countries listed with their currencies, currency code as well. And so that's just how it looks like to run this request. If you have any questions, you could comment below or go to community.rapyd.net. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun playing around with the API, and let me know what you build. Let me know what you can take this and add on to it. Feel free to comment below, and please share what you're working on, what you're doing. So thanks for watching again. Have a great day.